I just had my makeup done, and look at me! It's great. I have not felt this pretty in so long. Thank you. When we came to Ecuador, we had never lived outside of the United States. This country welcomed us with open arms, and we found that we could be more of a couple with my husband, and we could live a life that was so far out of the boundaries. My friends in the United States look at me strangely because they say, "Oh, you're so brave. I would never be able to do something like that." And I know now that it is not that hard as long as you have an adventurous heart and you're willing to get outside your comfort zone. We found the nicest apartment, and I literally have decorated it with my art. I'm an artist, and I guess you'd consider me a fine artist. That doesn't sound right, does it? Anyway, I don't do abstract and crazy things. I really like to look at glazes and the way the colors go together. It's a very solitary hobby, and so I'm grateful to get out and get a chance to meet new people that have the same adventurous heart than I do.